Hey, it's another Fridays with Frank. We're here this morning. We're shooting early today because we've been super slammed. And you can see on my background all the classic cars we have to get to. And half the shop is classic cars, and the other half is regular work. I'm going to show you around what we're doing, and let's go from there. Okay, so the first car I'm going to show you this week is this is a 36 Hudson Terraplane. It's on a C2 Corvette chassis. It came in for a little bit of body work on this fender here. We got to take care of that. We also going to be working on the front suspension, doing some upgrades to it, make it handle a little better. And then I got some touch-ups all around the car to do. It'll be a couple weeks and we'll get it done. And when it leaves, it'll look perfect. Okay, we're back at the GS. We finally got the engine in. Fortunately, we have a lot of time with this car. The customer went on vacation, so they left us a car, which is a smart thing to do. So we've been chipping away at it. Roughly, we have a month with the car. I don't want to wait till the last minute, obviously. So we keep plugging along. If we get a minute here and there, we tighten stuff up. We're pretty much down to installing the Aces. We're putting a Royal Flush in this car. The benefit to the Royal Flush is it actually has a multi-spark discharge incorporated into the computer. So it controls the timing, the spark, the fuel injection, all that all in one unit. So you don't have to have an MSD and all this crazy wiring going all over. It's all in one unit. Looks clean, nice. And you'll see it in the next episode when we finally get it done. Hopefully by next week we'll have this running and we'll show you it running. Okay, so we have one of my personal projects. This is what they ultimately call it when it's done a Hellcamino. It's a charger. I cut the back off, and then I installed this whole back half. Comes as a kit. As you can see, I still have the fiberglass work to do around the window and finish with the side panels. It is one of my projects, so it does tend to take a lot longer because I don't have as much time as I'd like to have, unfortunately. So these projects that I start take a lot longer than if we were doing a customer's car. But look forward to it in the next weeks and months, and we'll show you the progress as it moves along. Have a good week and see you next episode.
Honest answers, quality work, and legendary service.